Kublai phi baro kinigilongi kubor bamtagasni. Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC Hapoh ka Jinglam Khmat ka Dibora Si Marang Working President but Manuel but War Secretary MPCC kala Pynlong Jylla but kinong Thok kubor ha Congress Bhavan Shillong ban Pynlong yaga campaign Safeguard Your Vote Secure Your Future. Ka marak bat ubat war kila ong baka Congress Party ka pelong ya kani ka signature campaign hari baro ka wei ban persang ya ka jingpen banjur ya ka Jingdon ki vote Thok bat ka jing syate marat ka sensyar pat bah ha ka BJP. Kila ong ru baka Congress kala shim ki abha ya ka jingpen khen ya ka jingkut jong ka jingjiet pat bah ha ki Jylla kum ka Haryana Madhya Pradesh Chhattisgarh bat Maharashtra. Meghalaya ka parti kalayo lum palat Hapoh hajar signature bar ka campaign kadang ya Chaprang haki district bar ki block bapher. Ka sensyar paj ba kadai ka nongrim jengkeri limdang sumar ka kalawi jengi baro akan du no. Loong ka Dibora marang da ka bakerpat iki paj ba bakin nong ki batim bar ki bakhoj ha ka por thep vote.
Role manipulation, particularly after the Maharashtra election. We have done our part here, even in the state. We are supporting all India campaign. Massive protests against both Chori is over. We have done it all over India. We have done it even in Meghalaya, Shillong. In every district, block, we have done it. After that, we have done it. First thing too, we have done it candlelight on both Chor, Gadi Chor, on the march. You all know that. And after that, we have come down to both Chor, state level, everything. And then after that, now we got another direction from all India Congress Committee, and we are doing all over India. We are doing very massively. That is nation-wide both Chor signature campaign. We are doing it in the state level. We are doing it in headquarters Shillong, and we have percolated down to the district level. We are doing it at district level, and also we have gone down to the block level. And everybody, they are supporting, they are signing this both Chori Gadi Chor signature campaign.
I think our leader, Shri Rahul Gandhi, had been very vehemently pursuing this, and I think it's a very important, critical thing, and I believe that the public at large especially should have this level of understanding that it is the entire democratic process itself which is at stake. So we don't want to become a country which is authoritarian in nature. We don't want a country which is being controlled by only a few. The power should still exist with the public at large. When we say that the power should still exist with the public at large, we believe that there's widespread malpractice when it comes to how votes are being registered, how votes are being deleted, how people travel from one place to the other just to ensure that the BJP stays in power. And as you've noticed that many a time in many elections, the actual voice of the people is not being heard anymore. So you have the media houses, especially what we call as the Godi media, which is kind of propagating certain sections which is obviously against the constitution and against the democratic process. So the point is, we have seen that the campaign by Shri Rahul Gandhi has been very aggressive. He had been very, very vocal. In fact, just a few days back, all of you would have noticed that memes has been created also, right? That it is not the Gujarat model, it has become a Brazilian model, which means that people has shamelessly used even photographs of individuals which are not from the country just to register their votes, and in the process of that they are trying to undermine the entire process of the election commission.